Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the things to do at the start of every month. The beginning of every month is that time we ought to carefully plan activities as it concerns our well-being. Here is a compiled list of things to do at the beginning of every month that will help you to stay organized and successful in achieving your goals. 1. Set specific goals. Setting monthly goals will keep you motivated to achieve those goals. And you will be able to look at those monthly goals the following month and see if you need to revisit them or move on to bigger goals. For a better and more effective approach to being organized and successful in the month, you should consider taking on single plan aggressively and pursuing it hard. Usually, these goals are not to be too simple. Be careful to select meaningful and game-changing goals. 2. Plan your month. Write down all your deadlines, events, projects, and tasks, and anything else that you will have going on that month that you know of. This will keep you stay organized and you will end up saving a lot of time and headache down the road. 3. Make a budget. A budget is the financial outline of one's expenses over a particular period. A budget is your financial map. It tells you what to spend your money on and what not to spend your money on. Create your budget at the beginning of the month. A budget instills the value of discipline in you, and if you honestly followed, your life would experience a major change. A budget is simply telling your money where to go. It's seriously that simple. This way you'll know exactly how much you have to spend that month and you can plan accordingly. 4. Clean out your wallet. It's okay to adopt this at the beginning of month. So you have your mind set on the fact that you are going to the new month with a newer focus and direction. 5. Declutter any specific area. Some people may think of clearing up the office desk or wardrobe. Others may think of clearing up the pantry. Whatever comes to mind first, it is important to clean up your space, and I think the best time for this is the beginning of every month. 6. Organize your phone. You may not think this is necessary, but trust me, it will make a huge difference. Back up your phone and transfer photos or make sure they are saved to the cloud and then delete them off your phone. It will make your mind feel less messy when you go on your phone. Delete any apps you haven't used that month to keep your home screen tidy. Go through your inbox and organize your mails into folders, then clear it. Again, it will make you feel less overwhelmed each time you open your inbox. Also, take a few minutes to unsubscribe from any mailing list that have somehow creeped into your mail inbox. They can get really irritating. These are my 6 things to do at the start of every month. I hope you find them helpful. Even if you only implement 1 or 2 to begin with it will make a world of difference. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.